we are looking at how to pronounce these phrases 3 different ways in British English and American English. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing vocabulary in English, so make sure to stay tuned. So in, let's say, standard British English, this is said as bottle of water. Bottle of water. Now in Northern England, Northern British English, this is said as bottle of water. Bottle of water. Bottle of water. Bottle of water. Now in American English, this is normally pronounced as bottle of water. Bottle of water in American English, bottle of water, or bottle of water. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations like this video. If you found it useful, thanks for your support, it helps me immensely. Or if you found it entertaining, perhaps let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon for more pronunciations.